Hello, friends. Hello, everybody. Very pleasant good afternoon to all of you. I'm here once again with a new cooking series during this lockdown period. An effort that I'm making to learn how to cook. A try that I'm making, like how to cook, learn how to cook, learning process on cooking. And this is an activity that I'm trying to do during this lockdown period. And today I'm making an effort, going to try to make one of my favorite rice, that is curd rice. It's a very simple process, and it's one of my all-time favorite, that is a curd rice. Again, to make a curd rice, main ingredient will be rice that we need to cook, and then we'll be requiring curd, and then we will getting ahead with the process. So to make the curd rice, first I am taking the rice. That is the rice I have with me. This is the rice that I have with me. You can see it here in my hand. This is the rice that I have with me. This rice I have thoroughly washed in the water, and like our previous procedure, this is the rice that you can see in my hand. Like a previous procedure, I had kept this rice for almost 1 hour, one hour by now in the water. It has been soaking in the water for 1 hour by now. And now I'll wash this rice, and we will go ahead and we will cook the rice. One by one, we will start our procedure. Well, first let me drain the water, and we will start with cooking the rice. And this time, once again, I'm going to this time. Again, the standard measure that I've taken is this this glass, this South Indian standard tumbler. This is the quantity of rice that is there in this vessel. This is the quantity of rice that I have taken this time, because I don't want to carry forward this curd rice that I'll be making in the lunch. I don't want to carry forward it to my dinner. Dinner time, I'll make a something different, something new. So let me first begin by washing this rice, and I'll just come back to you. Thank you.